become future stars. Chapter 4. Growing Up with Nature. Let's learn together. Identify different animals, birds, and trees found in forests. Understand how people live close to nature in different places. Explain the need to care for plants, animals, and the environment. Recognize how nature is connected to our festivals and daily life. Nature is all around us. It includes everything we see: trees, plants, animals, rivers, hills, the sky, and even the air we breathe. It gives us food, water, and clean air to live. From the buzzing bee to the big banyan tree, every part of nature has a role. As we grow, we begin to see how closely our lives are connected to it. Nature is not just something outside our window, it is a part of our daily life. In this chapter, we will learn how we grow with nature, how people live close to it, and how we can care for it together. Living close to nature. In many parts of India, people live in villages surrounded by forests, rivers, hills, and open fields. Their lives are closely connected to the natural world. They often begin their day with the rising sun and follow a routine based on the changing light and seasons. Most villagers grow their own food using traditional farming methods that depend on rain, sunlight, and healthy soil. Their homes are usually made from natural materials like mud, clay, bamboo, or thatch, which keep them cool in summer and warm in winter. These materials are easily found around them and do not harm the environment. People also use leaves, wood, and stones to make tools, cook food, or build shelters. Living close to nature helps them understand how to care for the land and water around them. They know the importance of saving resources, avoiding waste, and using only what is truly needed. Their lifestyle teaches us how to live simply, respectfully, and in balance with the earth. Amazing facts. Gond art is a traditional form of painting usually done on walls using natural colors. Artists create beautiful images of nature, such as trees, animals, birds, and people, through this unique and colorful style. It is mainly practiced by the Gond tribe in central India and is well known for its intricate patterns and vibrant designs. Animals in the wild. Many animals live freely in forests, jungles, and grasslands. They do not live in homes like pets, but make their homes in trees, caves, or underground. These wild animals are a part of nature's big family, and each one plays an important role in keeping the environment balanced. Wild animals include tigers, elephants, monkeys, deer, bears, and many more. They find their own food and water from nature and do not depend on humans. Birds and monkeys help in spreading seeds, which grow into new plants. Vultures and jackals clean the forest by eating dead animals. Elephants help make new paths in the jungle and carry seeds through their dung. Some animals live in groups for safety, while others like to stay alone. Cutting trees destroys their homes and makes it hard for them to survive. Watching animals in their natural homes is fun, but we should not disturb or hurt them. Protecting wild animals helps keep the balance of nature and saves our forests too. Plants and trees around us. Plants and trees are living things that grow in soil. A plant can be small like a sunflower or big like a mango tree. Trees have strong trunks and branches, while plants have soft stems. They are found in gardens, forests, parks, and even near our homes. Some plants grow flowers, some grow fruits, and some have only leaves. Importance of plants and trees. Plants and trees help us in many ways. They give us fresh air by releasing oxygen. We eat the fruits and vegetables that grow on them. Trees like neem and tulsi have healing powers and are used to make medicines. Flowers not only make our world colorful, but also attract bees and butterflies that help in growing new plants through pollination. Trees give us wood to make furniture and paper. They also provide shade to people and animals. Birds build nests on trees, and many small creatures live on or around plants. Trees also keep the temperature cool and protect the soil from being washing away during rains. Festivals and nature. Many Indian festivals are closely linked to nature. They celebrate seasons, harvests, and nature's gifts. Pongal, Baisakhi, and Onam thank nature for food, while Makar Sankranti marks the change of seasons. Holi welcomes spring with colors that were once made from flowers. These festivals remind us to respect and care for the natural world around us. During these times, people decorate their homes with flowers, leaves, and natural items. Traditional songs and dances often honor the earth and the sky. Such celebrations help us feel more connected to the environment. How we grow with nature. Nature helps us grow in many ways, not just in our body, but also in our mind. When we play outside, breathe fresh air, or walk in a park, we feel active, strong, and fresh. Watching trees, birds, butterflies, and clouds helps us feel calm and peaceful. Nature also teaches us to be patient, kind, and caring for all living things. Children who spend time in nature become more curious, ask more questions, and learn better. Nature is like a gentle friend who helps us grow happily and stay healthy, both inside and outside. Amazing facts. The Jenu Kurubas are a tribal community from Karnataka. Their name comes from the word Jenu, which means honey in Kannada. While collecting honey from beehives, they sing songs to apologize to the bees. This shows their deep respect for nature and living creatures. Caring for nature. We must care for nature because our future depends on it. Cutting trees, wasting water, and using too much plastic harm the earth. We can help by planting trees, saving water and electricity, and throwing waste in the dustbin. Using cloth bags instead of plastic and walking or cycling to nearby places help nature. When we take care of nature, nature takes care of us in return. We should protect animals and birds by not harming them and keeping their homes safe. Keeping our surroundings clean and growing more plants makes the earth healthy and beautiful. Reducing noise and air pollution by using vehicles less and celebrating festivals in eco-friendly ways helps nature stay balanced. Recap. Nature gives us air, water, food, and beauty. It is a part of our daily life. People in villages live close to nature and use natural things like mud, bamboo, and leaves. Wild animals live freely in forests and help keep nature in balance. Plants and trees give us oxygen, food, shade, and are homes for many creatures. Indian festivals celebrate seasons and nature's gifts like harvest and flowers. Word search. Thatch, dry grass or leaves used to make roofs in village homes. Pollination, the process by which bees or insects help plants grow fruits and seeds. Harvest, the time when crops are collected from the field. Underground, below the surface of the earth. Balance, a state where all things work together properly without problems. Like, share, and subscribe.